crafty friends. Let's have some fun with the Honey Bunny scrapbooking workshop kit. Today we're going to do this first page of a 2-page layout. I'll do the second one in a second part. This is a kit from Close to My Heart. It's unfortunately no longer available, but it has some nice techniques in it that you can do with any paper pack that you have. So I thought it would be good to share. So first we're going to start with some basics, laying down some of the base paper. This base piece is a custom paper that came just in this paper pack. And then we're going to put down a 4x12 pink print here. The back side of this is this beautiful yellow Swiss. I like to use this monster tape gun. Not everybody likes it. There are many different ways you can put your paper down. You can use smaller tape, double-sided tape machines. You can use glue, that's what a lot of people do. There's tear and tape. Anything that'll hold it down is just fine. This is a 2x12 strip of patterned paper that has bunnies on it. This is going to be an Easter layout. And then next to that, we're gonna take from this sticker sheet that comes in the kit, which has all kinds of beautiful things on it, this little strip of like green leaves, stitching kind of thing. Give it a little bit more accent here. And a lot of the Close to My Heart kits had combinations of paper and paper punch out, die kind of things, along with stickers. Now, the next part, we're going to start on some of the fun stuff here. I have all of my pieces cut already. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to use these strips of paper and weave them together to make a little design. And additionally, we're going to place all of that onto a circle that comes in the kit. So I have these all in the order they need to be. I'm going to try and keep them in that order, but put them off to the side. And then these are the vertical ones. Again, I'm going to try and keep the order here. Yeah, I think I just mixed it up. All right, there we go. That's pretty good. So as I said, this comes as a cutout in this kit, but it would be very easy to make this yourself. So this is a 10-inch circle. So you can use a Cricut, you can draw a circle around a plate, anything that you want to make a circle. You can even freehand it. You can use different shapes as well. That's why I was thinking this might be really nice with a heart shape, which I want to make for the cover page of one of my albums from last year. And so the kit comes with these very detailed instructions. I looked through it ahead of time because it was a bit confusing to me. So I thought it would be worth, again, showing what we're doing with these. So basically we're gonna take the vertical pieces here and tape those down, starting about 3/4 inches from the end. And we're gonna wanna just tape the top and leave the bottom loose for the moment because we'll be weaving things in. So if I put this on my mat, go over 3/4, I'm gonna wanna put it right about there. And I'm just gonna tape down actually the very top of this, and we'll come back later after the weaving and tape down the rest. And then the next one is this yellow. Oh, I should make this one go a little higher. You wanna make sure that it goes all the way to the very edge, and we'll be trimming the extra off later. make sure it's straight. And then I'm gonna go, I think, about a 1/4 inch apart on each one. Now to this yellow strip, we're gonna add another sticker for a little more accent here. There's a sticker that just has stitching along it. So I'm gonna place that down, just down the center of this strip. Try to get it straight. Now next is this floral design. Again, I'll go about a 1/4 inch away. And then finally, a light green. No, I haven't done this before, so we're learning together, but it's kind of fun. All right, now I'm gonna go to the bottom, and the first strip I wanna do is the yellow dots. Now here, I'm gonna wanna tape along the right-hand side of the circle, and then we're gonna weave it through. So I'm gonna put some tape on the top end there. And this is 1 inch up from the bottom. I use my Versamat here or a desk pad, gridded paper. Helps line things up, helps get quick measurements. And so what we're gonna do is just basically go over the first one, under the second, over the third, and under the fourth. And then on the next one, I'm gonna do opposite of that. So the next one is actually going to be a sticker, which is got these little Easter eggs on it. So this is gonna be a little tricky here. So let me just get it through there. And you know, going under the opposite one this time. And come down. Now this one is sticky, so it's going to be sticking all the way across. And then next is this floral design. And this one is going to go over, under, over, and under. So you can see we're getting this really nice little basket weave over in the corner. Here, a lot of nice dimension. And as I said, I think this could be used on anything, any kind of shape you want to make. And it's a great way to showcase a lot of the papers. If you like all the papers in some design and you want to have a layout with a lot of colors. This time we're going under, over, under, and over with a pink strip. And then the last one, looks like I might have skipped one. No, I guess not. The last one is this bunny paper. This bunny paper is adorable. I'll show you more with a bigger sheet. And then this one is going to go over, under, and then over the yellow, and under the blue. We'll stick that down over on the right-hand side. And now I'll just get everything a little straight, and then I'm going to go through and tape down these edges that we left loose. And then I'll cut the extra off the edges here. So So let me do all that in fast motion for you. Okay, that came out really great. So I taped down all the edges, cut around the outside, and it really didn't take too long. Even though I had it going in fast motion, it didn't actually take too long. So now what we're gonna do is put our photo mat on the circle and a couple of cutouts and embellishments, and then we'll be attaching the circle to the base and finishing it off with some stickers here of a banner, and then of course, blinging it up with these beautiful little Easter colored dots. So there you have it, this beautiful Easter layout. It's made with stickers, the paper that we wove together, a yellow photo mat. It's got an Easter theme to it, a little bunny here, a couple of colored dots. And I like to finish it off when I'm making kits ahead of time. A lot of times I don't have my photos printed already. And sometimes, frankly, it could be next Easter when I scrap this, and I might not remember what I was intending with the photos. So I'd like to use these photo mats to keep track of that. And then when I come back to it, I just put this down with a small piece of tape on the back. When I come back to it, I know I need to print a 4x6 photo for there. I can take this off and tape the photo in its place. Another thing that I'll see a lot of people do is cut their photo down, maybe 1/8 of an inch on each side, and put it on top of this. And then you'll get this little extra white mat around it. So there's side one of our 2-page layout, and I'll make another video tomorrow with the second page. Thanks for joining.